promise you that in a week I'll be making at least 2 videos. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about something called bookkeeping and accounting information. So guys, we want to see the definition of those 2 things, and then from there we want to see the importance of bookkeeping and accounting information. Then from there still we want to see the users of the accounting information and bookkeeping. So guys, let us start by defining those 2 terms. So we start with bookkeeping. So it is just the art of recording, summarizing and classifying of business information or transactions which are financial in nature. So then we have what we call accounting information. So for that one, it is also the art of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting of the business information or transactions still, which are financial in nature. So guys, let us now come to importance of bookkeeping. Why do people carry out bookkeeping? Why do people need accounting information? So guys, first of all, that accounting information, it enables an entrepreneur to decide whether to seek for the loan or not. Then another thing we have, it does, that information helps to in the determining of the financial position of the business. So the moment you are writing, you sell something, you write, you are given something, you record, so that thing helps you to, to determine the potential of the business, the position of the business. So guys, another thing, that accounting information acts as a tool of control. So when we say a tool of control, that one automatically means that it controls the movement of goods from the business and into the business. So another thing, guys, accounting information, it helps people who would want to invest in a certain business to get information. So before a person invests his or her money in the business, he or she will be needing that accounting information to first see how the business is being run. So guys, that is the reason as to why accounting information is needed. Then we have what we call the importance of accounting information still. It helps in tax assessment by the government. So when you are trying to record everything you do in the business, to write everything, all the transactions, they help the government in tax assessment. So guys, there are very many things, but you can take those ones, and then we come now to what we call the users. So dear viewers, who use this information, accounting information? So they are in 2 categories. One of them, we call them internal and then external users. So guys, we start with internal users. So the moment we say internal, it means that those people are already within the business. So we have what we call the management. So this management needs accounting information to run different activities to make sure that the business at least develops the business to achieve the set goals, objectives of the business. Then we have the workers. So accounting information is needed by the workers who work in the same business. Just they want to know, are their jobs secure? So that's why they need accounting information. Then guys, we have owners of the business. So I myself, for example, I need accounting information. Why? Because I'm the one who provides the money to start up the business. So I need the accounting information to know, is my business doing well? Is it doing profits or losses? So that's why I need that information. So guys, so we have now finished internal, where we have seen owners of the business. then the management, and still the workers or employees. So now let us go to external. So when we talk about external, these are people who are, of course, who are not in your business, but still they need the accounting information. How does bookkeeping help those people who are not in your business? So first of all, we have the community. The community needs accounting information. Carrying out bookkeeping helps the whole community. So the whole community is interested in knowing the extent to which the business is concerned about their welfare. So when you are doing your business is doing very well, so the community for it, it is interested in knowing how far have you reached, or how are you going to help them, the extent you are going to help them. So for them, you find that when you are trying to collect maybe like eggs, you're selling them. That's why they need it. So they want to know, is the business trying to help them? Are they benefiting? Guys, there is now what we call donors. So guys, when we talk about donors, they also need the accounting information, and this accounting information helps them. So before those donors invest or inject their income in the business, they want to know, is the business developing? Is it developing really? So that's why they need accounting information. Then we have what we call investors. So those are people who feel like they want to invest in a certain business, but before they do so, they need that accounting information just to know, is the business doing well? So what you are writing, you sell this, you write the profits, they will tell such a people whether to invest in or not. So accounting information helps such a people to know whether they should invest in a certain business or not. So then guys, we have what we call the government. So guys, you know it better that when you are doing the business, it's like as if it is yours, and at the same time it belongs to the government. So the government needs accounting information simply just to know the how far, or the amount of money in form of tax it should charge from you, it should get from you. So the tax. So guys, if you have the business which is modeling, but the government can decide which amount of money should we take in form of tax. So the government uses that accounting information, all the things you're writing, you are doing what, it helps the government to decide. You see, government officials will come and say that this business, at least the way we are seeing it, this man or this woman should be paying at least this monthly. So you see, accounting information determines or tells the amount of money you are to pay in form of tax. So then guys, we have what we call banks. The banks, they also need accounting information. Why? So when you are going to the bank and to seek of course some loans, before they give you those loans, they will first ask themselves, is this man having the capacity to pay back our money? So the banks need accounting information just to know whether an entrepreneur or a farmer is able to just pay back their loans. So if you are doing bad in the business and the banks see that you don't have the capacity to pay back their money, they won't give you that loan. So accounting information helps the bank to determine whether it should give a farmer a loan or an entrepreneur a loan. So guys, now let us come to creditors. So creditors, these are just people who give goods on credit just to the business. So they also need that accounting information just to know whether that very business will be able to pay back the money. So remember, now they have brought goods into a business on credit. So they need the information, that accounting information, how the business works, the profits, the losses. Then they calculate, they see whether you will be able to pay that money. So now let us talk about researchers. So guys, researchers in the country, I'm very sure you usually hear that America is the leading, China is the leading, something like that. So how do they know that? So the researchers need accounting information just to tell and determine the country's level in the business. So when you see that people telling you that in East Africa, for example, that maybe, for example, maybe Kenya is the first one, that's how they do it. So that accounting information helps the government to determine just the level where it is when it comes to the business, because you will be seeing government officials visiting you, then they are trying to write, they ask you the bookkeeping, they ask you the accounting information, you see they are trying to write somewhere. So that helps researchers to determine the level of the government when it comes to business. So dear guys, this is what I wanted to talk about in this video, and I think this thing will help you. So guys, this is what we call bookkeeping and accounting information, and try guys to share this video so that it can help your friends, and we meet in the next upload.